Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. Friends, you might have watched many videos on how to speak English fluently, how to be a fluent English speaker. People always tell you that you can be a fluent speaker within 21 days of practice. Is it true? I suppose that that's not true at all. It is a lifelong process and you have to work hard on it. My opinion on this thing is that you have to create an urgency of English in your life. You have to use that language on a regular basis. You have to communicate with your colleague, with your friends, with your family members on regular basis, so that you will be speaking on regular basis and the words will come automatically through your mouth. So I understand that through reading newspaper or daily magazines or uh, through surrounding yourself with such an environment where people speak English will not only help you but enhance your communication skill to a large extent. So although they are true to some extent that we can speak English uh, through our through the help of our environment and through our daily practice, but I completely agree upon this topic that we need to create an urgent requirement of English. Until you can do this thing and you will be going through your life in a easy way without English, then it will be very difficult for you to be a fluent English speaker. So if you want to be a fluent English speaker, then feel the urgency, feel the requirement of English in your life. If you find it helpful, if you find it significant, important, that English is an important pillar for your success, for your career, then you will be learning this language in a fast pace. Otherwise there is no chance that you can speak English very fluently. You may have seen that students who are merely 10 or 15 years of age, they can speak better than you. What is the difference here? What is the difference between you and those students who are able to speak English fluently? But if you have attended uh, at the age of 40 or 45 and you are still unable to communicate this language, then the main thing that you are not capable enough to communicate through this language is that you are not in need to this language. You don't need English on your daily basis. That's why you are not capable enough to communicate fluently with an easy way on this language. So always do these things. Do two things. I may suggest you that you have to listen a lot, you have to read a lot, you have to own those words which you come across, and you have to get command over those words, and you will be a fluent English speaker. Although we understand that it is our second language, it is not our mother tongue, but through practice we can command upon this language, and we can communicate in a better and best way. So try to adopt this habit. Listen a lot, read a lot, practice a lot, surround yourself with such an environment where people speak English. And you may have seen that people don't speak English too much. They don't need to communicate in English. They hesitate, they feel shy through using this language, to use this language. That's the only reason that they are not confident, they are not able to speak this language. So if you feel urgent, if you find it urgent, if you feel the importance of English in your life, if you understand, if you feel that uh, English will be your language which will uplift your career, which will uplift your financial condition, which will uplift your social bondings, then you may have to use this language very often and you will be fluent very soon. That's my promise to you. So I'm also a learner. We can say that I don't often use this language. That's the only reason that I'm still 43 and can't able to speak English fluently. That's the only reason I don't use English so often, so much. That's the only reason that I am unable to speak fluently. And upon this topic I am considering now and will work on regular basis. And I will share those things among you, and you will be you will be benefited through these things too. I will motivate you to learn this language. I will influence you to learn this language, and I hope that will work for you too. So let's start. What are you waiting for? Let's meet with another video with some more energy, with some more new ideas. Till then, bye bye, have a nice time.